YouTubers, today I've got a little Nissan Qashqai. It's the 1.5 variety of the J10, one of the last of the J10s. Customer states that the red engine light comes on and there's no power, and it sounds like there's no turbo. So let's take it for a test drive and see if we can verify the customer complaint. Right, let's see what it does. In first gear, floor it. That's floored. So definitely no turbo spooling up here. Second gear now. Still no turbo. Let's floor it. Second gear. Going up a slight hill. Nothing. Still flooring it. Still nothing. And that is floored. Again floored. Definitely verify the customer complaint. There's no engine lights on as yet. There was when it was dropped off, it had a red light come on. Oh, here we go, red light's on. Right, let's get it back to the workshop and do a read of it. But back at the workshop now. I'm not going to turn it off, just go and read the codes. I'll get this set up, then come back. Okay, so let's have a look what we're going to get in the work codes. Not interested in that at the minute. P226322. Let's go and have some investigation. I think first of all what we're going to do is look at some live data, and we want boost, and we'll have a look at the atmospheric pressure. The customer said he's changed the mass airflow sensor. Don't know why, I haven't looked at it. Let's have a look. Let's just measure the airflow. Right, so we've got atmospheric, 946, boost slightly lower. Let's go to the car. Let's see if we're getting any boost. But I would say probably not. So this is what we want to look at. So floor it. And again, zero boost. Let's go and investigate some. So the easiest thing to do is start with the boost control solenoid and see the vacuum. So I use my little mitty vac for that. There you can see it. Zoom in a tad. So here's the boost control solenoid, these pipes here. That come from the vacuum pump to the control solenoid. So we have an in and an out. The first thing we check is the in, which is going to be the pump. So it's going to be this one here towards me. So release the pressure, make sure it builds, released, builds nicely. Now we'll have a look at the output side. show you where I'm at with that, what we've omitted out. So I've pulled this vacuum pipe goes to the turbo. So there's the control solenoid. And if you have a look, we have vacuum. Nice. Next thing I'm going to want to do is put vacuum, or how, sorry guys and gals, or peoples. So the next thing I want to do is put vacuum down here. This goes to the turbo. So I can now pull a vacuum, or not. Not seems to be the case. That's not holding a vacuum. So we're looking at this one, the boost pressure. And while we're looking at that, I'm going to try and pull a vacuum. And there's no change. Hopefully you saw that. Let's try it again. So there's your boost pressure. Jump in the vacuum. No change. So I'll switch car up here. So straight away we've noticed it won't hold a vacuum. So I'm going to start chasing, I think, a vacuum leak. Easiest way for that is to use my smoke tester. Let's get this out of the way now. I've got it up in the air, taking this off, didn't need to watch you doing that. It looks quite oily. Very good to see my hand in here, show you. That is the vacuum hose, runs all the way down to there. So let's get some smoke going again, see where the leak is. That's coming out of here. There's the actuator in there. Yeah, it's coming out of the turbo actuator. If I put my hand on that hose, let's have a look at me. See what the reading does on the smoke machine. Put my hand on that hose. I can't see it properly because I've got my gloves on, but there, if I push hard enough. So the vacuum pipe isn't leaking. It's a turbo actuator. As a side note, this won't help won't help it drive in a straight line. Now this has recently passed its test. And have a look at that. Within a month, this has passed its I2V test. Well, I'm going to see what the customer wants me to do. I've had a quick look. I haven't seen those actuators available separately from the turbo. I'll relay the information to my customer and see what they want to do. Hopefully we're going to have a part 2 where we can replace the turbo and then get the readings, and we should be good to go. Yeah, a short video just finding out why this car had no boost. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe, like, hit the bell to get notifications of new videos as and when I publish them, and please leave your comments and questions in the box below. Thanks for watching.